Boss, have you ever seen the movie Captain Ron?
Yeah, I've seen that.
In there, Kurt Russell has a saying: "Light the tires and kick," or what is it? "Kick the tires and light the fires." Let's get this baby rolling. So today is day 9, and it'll be the final day. And we're in Destin Harbor. We're gonna go take on some fuel. Then we're gonna go throw the anchor out over in the anchorage because I want to show them where the anchorage is. And then we're gonna take a nice slow 1200 RPM run over to Pensacola because we want to see what our fuel burn is. Yesterday we ran the boat at 1500 RPMs. We did 60, right at 60 miles. We're gonna see the difference between a 1500 RPM day and a 1200 RPM day. And it's about a knot in speed difference. All right, boss man made the coffee. Go ahead and start this bad boy up. Fire up electronics. Autopilot. So yesterday was huge lessons. He learned a lot about the Garmin. Today we'll do all auto navigation on the Garmin. And we'll do some we're going to do some anchoring. Whew. You know, and it really is. I think Bart did a great job. I think he's going to do fantastic on America's Great Loop. I think he's got some learning to do. It's always easy when you have somebody sitting next to you, and things get a little more. You know, his decision making will have to get on his own. But I think he's going to be fine. He's got enough boating experience that he will excel at this, and he will succeed at like America's Great Loop and stuff like that. And he'll make some mistakes. We all make mistakes, all of us. But hopefully the mistakes he makes are not costly, and he'll move on, and he'll learn from them. You learn more from your mistakes than you will from a huge successful day. And seems like every day we've had like one issue, and he's got such a head start, from changing his ray cores, cleaning out his air conditioner strainer, cleaning out his main engine strainer. I mean, he's done on this trip. There's not a whole lot we haven't tackled, so it's just been a great experience for him. And you can't make this stuff up, like blowing that radiator hose early on. Which is just a raw water pump hose, basically on these instead of a radiator hose. So he got to learn, what's possible, think outside the box a little bit, and anything's possible. Anyway, enjoy the ride today. We're gonna take on some fuel, pump out, and then go to anchor, and then head over to Pensacola. Yeah, you got your rudder straight. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now just kind of pay attention, because if your ass end's going over from the natural curve of the boat, yeah, there you go, pull it over a little bit.
All righty.
So you're clear of the dock, so now you can go ahead and start your turn. And then I want you to pull in forward with your gate, you know what I'm saying, for the fuel dock there. Piece of cake, right? Like taking candy from a 12-year-old judo expert?
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, the E-dock, and you want to be so where the pump's on your right-hand side, so you can just walk out your door. And then just have your midship line ready.
I'm sorry, you said D? Yeah.
D. Yeah, D. Yep.
We're going to go
Straight into D. Yep. Hey, I got a challenge for you. All right. Try and do this as much as you can without a thruster.
Oh man, I was just saying to myself, okay. Okay.
So kind of
You're gonna have to bear with me.
Yeah, go do your bump turn a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So start turning in.
Man,
Yeah, start
is
turning.
he going into E? Or is he going
Yeah,
into
just. There you you go. See how you got your front end coming around? There you go.
Well, I don't think I'm starting to hear it.
That is. I think that's it.
That was good. That's it.
God.
Who called it? I'm gonna let you do this one by yourself.
No bumpers out.
No bumpers out.
No fenders out. Just gonna do a quick check over here.
There you go. Make sure you kind of see who's coming too. You know, do you see anybody in the channel?
Nope. Nope. We're clear as a bell. So we are going to.
So you got your back line off.
Back line's off.
Yep. Now that one. Now maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of how's your back? Pay attention to what's going. Do you need to thrust over just a hair, or you got it?
I think
Yeah.
it's straight.
Sweet. Really looks good. Perfect. See, so pulling in is pretty easy forward. All right, so we did a little anchor exercise. We dropped the anchor. Sorry I didn't get the video of it, but he just basically, we dropped his anchor, set it, and now he's cleaning up, putting his mess away. And then we'll be off. Something that's important that it's important to check your surroundings around you. Because once you pull that anchor, you are free in the current. So he's really conscious of that. And now he's going to start driving the boat. And then this, pop it into gear.
Pivoting a little early.
Yeah, a little bit. That's just what you got to learn. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now go ahead and just, I want you to aim for that second pole right there, if that makes sense.
The one on the left.
No, the one on the right, because you're pretending like the dock's over there on your right.
Yeah.
Neutral. Okay. Cut it over to the left. Cut it over to the left. Okay. Reverse. There you go. No, but right back to neutral. Okay.
Okay, neutral.
There you go. Okay, back it out of here. There you go. Got it. So Emerald Coast right here, like when you're coming back through, you're getting here, you're close to Destin. Looks like a lot of construction. Were they building a new bridge, or you don't?
I don't really know. I don't think it's a bridge.
It's so pretty when these waters are, when the sun's out and these are all pretty blue. Does that make sense? Like really, really pretty. That when you can see that emerald green, yeah, it's just gorgeous.
Beautiful water.
Yeah.
No, we're just repairing it.
They're repairing it, or are they? Looks like they're building a new one.
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna be some type of lift bridge or something. This is it. Look how close we are. Woo-hoo! Last bridge. We're hauling the nail now. Look how close we are. We are 6.8 nautical miles away. It's been a hell of a trip. Whew. It's beautiful, overcast, a little bit cooler today, these last couple days. That crossing was brutal, dude. The heat, I think the heat got to me more than anything.
Yeah, it was.
It just got to me.
It is a pleasant 80 degrees.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah.
But that humidity out there, everything, it was just brutal. This is it, Pensacola Bay right here. Now we got that little point to go around right there. big dolphins over there. Big dolphins. You got your door open there. Yeah, that's fine. That's so nice having that door, ain't it?
Yeah, right.
So go get that cleaned off. All right, buddy. We'll see you do this. It's your first one. I think you're gonna slay it. All right, folks, so they say all good things must come to an end. And here we are with the Beneteau, all the way from Fort Lauderdale, Florida to Pensacola, Florida. Took us about 10 days. We got to do a 205-mile open water crossing. You can see Bart here learning to back the boat into the marina. You actually had to, the marina was pretty tight, and you had to back the boat actually into the marina and then into a slip. After we did it a few times, it was pretty easy, and he picked it up very quickly. And it was easy to do with those twin thrusters and that single engine. It went right into its slip just every time. So Bart was a great student. Thank you, Bart. This channel, and I don't, without you guys' love and support, it's not possible. Make sure you hit that like button. I really appreciate that. If you guys could hit that like button, everybody watches the video here to the end, make sure you hit that like button. Share it on your social media. I do appreciate it. And then, leave a small comment down below. We surely appreciate the comments and stuff like that. And I try to answer most of them as fast as I can when I have some free time. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you hit that like button, share it on your social media, and thank you guys so much. I do appreciate it. Bye.